How to change name and address in ING Bank. Here's some steps guide for updating name and address in ING Bank. Firstly, open the ING mobile app or log into ING online banking. Then go to the Profile and Settings or Service menu and select Personal Details options. Choose whether you want to update your name or address. For name change, enter your new legal name. Upload a valid document like passport, national ID, marriage certificate, or court order. For address change, type your new residential or mailing address. Upload a proof of address like utility bill, lease agreement, or government letter. If using a branch visit, bring your ID and supporting documents. ING will verify your request within 1 to 3 business days. You'll get a confirmation via email once the update is complete. Thanks for watching.